Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Monday.com integration in Odoo by BrowserInfo. This powerful tool seamlessly connects your Monday.com workspace with Odoo, allowing you to sync tasks, projects, and updates in real time across both platforms. Manage your workflow more efficiently by keeping your team aligned, eliminating manual data entry, and ensuring accurate project tracking. Whether it's sales, CRM, or project management, this integration helps you stay organized and collaborate effortlessly, saving time and improving overall business performance. Here you can see a module named Monday Integration. Open that. Under Configuration, we will find a menu named Monday Account. Open that and here you can see no account is registered yet. Click on Monday Registration under Configuration. Name your Monday account. Here I am naming my account as BrowserInfo and enter your API token from your Monday account. Click on Establish Connection and here you can see your Monday account is registered in Odoo. Here you can see the name, email, account ID and registration. After that, under import data, you will find 4 different booleans named import user, boards, groups and items. Enable all the checkbox and save it. After that, we will hop on to our Monday account and here you can see your created account. Now, in workspace, click on main workspace and after that, the main workspace is opened. Now click on the plus sign. After that you will select board and click on new board to create your new board. Name your board. Here I am naming Isha Foundation as my board's name. And select what you are managing in this board, select tasks. After that, click on create board. Here you can see your board is creating. Now in Monday you can see a Isha Foundation board is created. You can see that the board is created in the Monday. Now we will come into our Odoo and here we will click on import data. You can see the data from your Monday account is importing in Odoo. To check that, you can go into the sync entries and in here you can find all the entries of which your data is imported. After that, we will go into our boards in Odoo and here you can see a Isha Foundation board is created. Now, under that, we can see the board ID, board type, board kind and also item technology which we have selected task. After that, we will go into the project and here is the project module. Open that and here you can see a Isha Foundation project is created with your name in Monday account. Here you can see the items which is created into the project from this Monday account. Now what we will do, we will create a new project in here. But first of all, we will go into the configuration. In task stage, under Isha Foundation, you can see 2 different task stage. Now we will create a new task stage in Isha Foundation. Click on new and name the stage. Here I am naming my stage as draft. After that, in Monday account, select your Monday account. Now, after that, add your project. I am adding Isha Foundation and save it. After saving, you can see Monday group ID is automatically updated to draft. Now, we will go into the project and in Isha Foundation, we can see a draft state which we have already created. And in our Monday account also, we can see a new state is created as draft. Now we will create a new project for this from the tree view. Click on new and add a title for your task. Here I am adding BrowserInfo's task. After that, you can see in project Isha Foundation is selected and in Monday details tab, add your Monday account. After that, save it. And now you can see a task is created into Isha Foundation. Now if you go into your Monday account, here you can see a task is created on names of Browse-Info's task in group title stage, as this task is in group title stage. Now we will transfer the task into the draft state. Also in Monday account, you can see your task is in draft stage. Just like that, you can change the stage of your task. After that, we will go into the Monday integration. And in Isha Foundation, after Isha Foundation, you will create a new board in your Monday account. Create a new board naming CRM leads. After that, in here, select items. Make sure to select items in CRM leads. Now click on create board, and here you can see the board is creating. After that, you can see the automatic task which is created in the Monday account. Just like that, we will go into the configuration in our Monday account. We will open our Monday account and click on import data. Here you can see our data is importing from our Monday account into Odoo. Here you can see that our data is imported. Now again, if we want to check our imported data, we will go into the sync entries and we can see that our data which is imported into the Odoo. We can see all the entries here. After that, we will go into the boards under Monday data, and here we can see a new board is created in the name of CRM leads. You can see the board ID, type, kind, and also the item terminology. Here also you can see all the information which is in our Monday account. After that, we will hop on to the CRM module. Here, under configuration, we will create a new stage first. Here, in the new stage, you can see a Monday detail tab. Under that, select your Monday account, and after that, save it. Here you can see after saving in Monday group ID, it is updated to new. And in here also you can see a new stage is created as new. Now we will go under the sales. In my pipelines, we will create a new task. First of all, we will go into the list view and we will create a new task. I am entering the name as Browse-Info's lead. I'm adding LEED, lead. Here, after that, in Monday details tab, I'm going to add my Monday account and save it. Now, in Monday item ID, you can see it is automatically updated after saving as Browse-Info's lead. Here you can see the expected revenue and the probability of the lead. Here you can see 0 is the expected revenue and 7.9 is the probability. Now, in the Monday account, you can see under new, a new lead is created in the name of Browse-Info's lead. The expected revenue is 0 and probability is 7.92. Now, if you don't want to manually import the data from your Monday account, you can just create a cron for that. Under technical, we will look for our schedule action, and here we have created a cron named import Monday data automatically. Here you just need to add the date and time and also the executive every 1 hour or week or days or month, whatever you want to run automatically. You can add that, or either you can run it manually every day. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.